Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be showing you how to repair a broken bracket on your fog light. This can also be applied to your headlights as well. With all new vehicles, they have plastic frameworks that bolt up to the vehicle. Unfortunately, when the light experiences some form of an impact, there is a risk of the mounting brackets breaking. As you can see, this is on my Dodge Ram and it currently has a broken fog light mount. It's best to remove the light so it is fully accessible to repair the broken component. Removal procedures will vary. You'll most likely need to disconnect the light bulb or electrical harness, then finish with unbolting the light. Purchasing a replacement light can be expensive, either used or new. With a broken mounting bracket, your light may vibrate, causing your beam to bounce, and this also affects the aim of the light, where it decreases your lighting performance at night. Using a wire brush, the light bracket was excessively dirty, so I removed any hard debris with this. Use a wax and grease remover to clean up the plastic to remove any contaminants which may cause adhesion issues. Don't use brake cleaner, as we will be heating up the plastic in a moment. Next was cleaning up the brake with sandpaper to remove any debris. Hold the broken component in place and then using a soldering iron with a flat tip, melt along the crack, going deep into the plastic. You'll need to mold the plastic back and forth in order for it to be smooth and fill the crack. You'll need to do this on both sides. The side that mounts the bumper bracket, I'm trying to keep this as smooth as possible so it doesn't throw off the light adjustment. Once done, here you can see what it currently looks like. I have found soldering plastic like this can be quite strong, but just to be sure, I'm going to take an extra precaution. Next, the plastic is given a light sand to scuff up the surface for adhesion. Again, decontaminate the area with rubbing alcohol. Here I have an automotive grade 2-part plastic epoxy. This will need to be mixed and applied to the one side of the bracket. This is best to apply it at the one side where it doesn't affect the adjustment of the light beam. This is self-leveling, so it will smooth out to some extent. Once done, place it off to the side where you can let it dry. Depending on what type of epoxy is used, this may take anywhere from 12 to 48 hours to fully harden. Now here's a view before it's installed. Next, a light is installed back into the vehicle. Depending on how the repair went, you may or may not need to slightly adjust the aim of the light. Both fog lights and headlights can be aimed. For this truck, the outer bezel needs to be removed, and in behind this will be adjuster screws to move it up or down or left to right. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.